Hello. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discussing basic of fluid power and pump, lecture number 3. In this lecture session, review of standard symbol and energy losses in ideal system 10 minutes. This is planning for 60 minutes. Syllabus. Learning objective to understand pump type and its classification of fluid power system, to understand construction and working principle of wind pump. Learning outcome. After end of session, student will aware of type of pump used in fluid power system. After session, student can understand wind pump type construction and its working principles. Hydraulic pump. See here, this is hydraulic pump. What is pump? Pump is defined as a mechanical device that rotates or reciprocates to move fluid from one place to another. Pump is defined as mechanical device that's rotated or reciprocated by rotary motion or reciprocating motion, means mechanical energy convert into hydraulic energy, electric energy convert into mechanical, and mechanical energy convert into hydraulic energy to move fluid from one place to another. It converts prime mover energy into mechanical energy, then mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, Need of pump used to pump a liquid from lower pressure area to higher pressure area. To increase flow rate, to move liquid from lower elevation to higher elevation. Used to pump of a liquid from lower pressure area to higher pressure area. To increase flow rate, to move liquid from lower elevation to higher elevation. Different types of pump. Hydrostatic, hydrostatic or positive displacement pump. Hydrodynamic. In hydrostatic or positive displacement pump, classified into two groups, rotary and reciprocating. Hydrodynamics classified into two groups, centrifugal and axial. Positive displacement pump. A positive displacement pump make a fluid move by trapping a fixed amount and forcing that trapped volume into the discharge pipe. Positive displacement pump make a fluid move by trapping a fixed amount and forcing that trapped volume into the discharge pipe. Some positive displacement pumps use an expanding cavity on the suction side and decreasing cavity on the discharge side. A liquid flow into the pump as a cavity on the suction side expand and the liquid flow out of the discharge as the cavity collapses. Positive displacement pump, for each pump revolution, fixed amount of liquid taken from one end, positively discharged at other end. A specific amount of fluid passes through the pump for each rotation. If pipe is blocked, the pressure rises, can damage pump. In order to avoid this happening, relief valve is required. Used for pumping fluid other than water. Positive displacement pump apply pressure directly to the liquid by reciprocating piston by rotating member. Uses can handle shear sensitive liquid, used for high pressure application, used for variable viscosity application, different types, reciprocating pump and rotary pump. See, pump classified into rotary pump and reciprocating pump. Rotary pump also classified. See, different type, positive displacement pump classified into reciprocating pump and rotary pump. So rotary pump classified into gear, vane, lobe, gerotor, screw, gear, internal, external, vane, fixed displacement, variable displacement, balance, unbalance, lobe, gerotor, and screw. Reciprocating axial, rotating cylinder block, rotating swash plate, radial pistons. Classification of positive displacement pump. Rotary positive displacement pump. The working of all the rotary type positive displacement pump are based on the same principle, that is pumping of the liquid with the help of rotating element. The rotating element can be gear, screw, vane, or cam. The different types are gear pump, rope pump, screw pump, cam pump, vane pump, pre-stabilistic pump, see vane pump. This is vane pump. This is actual photograph of the pump. This is vane pump. Inlet port, outlet port, cam ring, casing, slots, guiding vanes, rotor, shaft, spring. A rotary vane pump positive is a positive displacement pump that consists of vane mounted to a rotor that's rotated inside of a cavity. Vane mounted to a rotor that's rotated inside of a cavity. In some cases, this vane can be variable length and tension to maintain contact with the valve as the pump rotates. See, inside the liquid, here, this is the liquid, out the liquid. This is pump, vanes here. A rotary vane pump is a positive displacement pump that consists of vane mounted to a rotor that rotates inside of a cavity. In some cases, these vanes can be variable length and or tension to maintain contact with the valve as the pump rotates. Advantages: handles thin liquid at relatively higher pressure. Disadvantages: can have two suffering box. See advantage of this positive displacement vane pump. Handle thin liquid at relatively higher pressure. Compensate for wear through vane extension. Sometimes prepared for solvent LPG. Can run dry for short period. Can have one seal or stopping box. Develop good vacuum Disadvantage: can have two spring boxes, complex housing and many parts, not suitable for high pressure, not suitable for high viscosity, not good with abrasive application, aerosol and propellant, aviation service, fuel transfer, auto industry, fuel lobe refrigeration coolant, bulk transfer of LPG and NH3, LPG cylinder filling, alcohol, refrigerations, freons, ammonia, solvent, aqueous solutions. Vane pump type. Vane pump, unbalanced variable displacement, comparatively high efficiency reservoir, moderate sensitive to dust, variable displacement position possible. See, oil enter as space between the ring and rotor increase. Oil enter as the space between the ring and rotor increases. This is our casting casing vanes, outlet, this is inlet, this is shaft, pumping chambers, rotor, this is rotor, cam ring surface, eccentricity. A side load is exert on bearing because of pressure unbalance. See, is carried around ring in pumping chambers. A side load is exert on bearing because on pressure unbalance. And easy discharge or phase decrease. Here, spring type pressure compensator is used to maintain the pump delivery. Manual control rod sensor can be used. Energy is saved when eccentricity is made zero. Inlet outlet ports, suction, discharge. Rotating block, fixed ring. Yeah, spring type pressure compensator is used to maintain the pump delivery. Manual control rod sensor can be used. Energy is saved when eccentricity is made zero. Spring loaded pressure plate. For good hydraulic balance, the spring hold the pressure plate against the ring all the time. Balance when pumped, they can be made reversible by repositioning the ring and keeping the flow direction of the pump same, but they are mostly constant displacement type. Intra-vane design for vane pump, we can see here, used for high pressure state pump, intra-vane balance that the pressure, intra-vane balance, high pressure quadrant, system pressure. inlet, this is outlet. Outlet support to feed forward pressure into intravenous areas at all times. Holes in rotor segment feed load pressure under a full vein area in pressure quadrant and inlet pressure under a vein area is inlet quadrant. This is intra-vein design for vein pump. We can see. So in this way, we have discussed the pump. So here, this is also they can balance when pump fixed displacement. They can be made reversible by repositioning the ring and keeping the flow direction of pump same, but they are mostly constant displacement time. This is inlet from like that in the pump casing, and this is outlet from both sides. This is vents, rotor, rotation in this side. So in this way, we are discussing vein pump. Any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Assignment with case instructed use advantage and disadvantage of the vein pump. Each one has to instruct different pump with their rating. See, vein pump type, main principle of this pump, positive displacement pump apply pressure directly to the liquid by reciprocating position, sorry, piston or by rotating members. See here, means piston cylinder using reciprocating motion or by rotating members like that. This is driver, this is driven. Inlet, outlet. Different types, this is reciprocating, this is rotating. Types of positive displacement pump. After that, this is difference. After that, go to positive displacement pump type, different type. This is vein pump. Principle of vein pump. A rotary vein pump is a positive displacement pump that consists of vein mounted to a rotor that rotates inside of a cavity. In some cases, this vein can be variable length and or tension to maintain contact with the wall as the pump rotates. Under thin liquid at relatively higher pressure, this is advantage and disadvantage of the pump. Vein pump unbalanced variable displacement, vein pump unbalanced pressure compensated, spring loaded pressure plate. See, this is spring loaded pressure plate here. Intravein, balanced vein pump, like that. So in this way, we have discussed here hydraulic pump. So any doubt, anyone to ask me? Otherwise, we have stopped here. So we have stopped here.